How to fix Google Meet couldn't connect on Android. So if you're also having this issue, let me show you a couple of solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you need to ensure is that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try switching to a different network if you're currently having this issue. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can do is try to restart the application as well as restart your phone. So make sure you clear out the app of Google Meet from the recent app list and make sure you restart your device. Due to some glitches on your phone, this might be causing this error. So once you've done these few steps, try to see if the issue is not fixed. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you can now try out is try to clear the app cache of the Google Meet application. So what you can do is just tap and hold the application, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then just tap on the clear cache option. If this step also does not work for you, then what you need to do is head over to the Play Store, search for Meet, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update this application. Updating apps helps to solve any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, the last thing that you can do is make sure you uninstall Meet from your device and then again re-download it. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.